Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning. Today our lesson is about number names. The aim of this lesson is to read and write the numbers in numerals and words, and the success criteria is you will be able to read the numbers in numerals and words, and you will be able to write numbers in numerals and words. Here is the number chart from 1 till 100. I want you to revise this chart once before you start this lesson. Number words. Usually we read numbers like this. These symbols are called numerals. I read the numbers once for you. I want you to repeat with me as I read these numbers. 111, 290, 11, 104, 36, 567, 63, 875, 34, 320, 97, 300, and now I want you to try reading these numbers. Number words. We can also read and write numbers in words like 222, 34, 44, 256, 21, 98. Now it's your turn to read these numbers. Can you read these numerals and words? I will read one time for you. I want you to repeat with me as I read these numbers, and I want you to pause the video and practice on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Number words. Can you write numbers as words? What numbers comes next? We have 20, 21, 22. Now I want you to guess what numbers comes next. Well done. 23. Let's try another. We have 134, 135. Can you guess what numbers comes next? Excellent. It's 136. Let's move on to another slide. We have 547, 548. Can you guess what numbers comes next? Well done. It's 549. and 49. Now let's try reading and writing numbers. Can you read and write numbers in numerals and words? We have a number here 100 and well done 111. Now let's try placing base blocks, or you can even take your whiteboards and markers to draw these numbers on your whiteboards. So for 100, I'm going to place, well done, 100ths block. And for 110, I'm going to place 1/10th block. And for 1/1, I'm going to place 1/1 block. So we have 100ths block, 1/10th block and 1/1 block. Now, let's have a look at some more examples. We have numbers here like we have 146, 229, 313. So first, I want you to try to write the names, number names for these numbers. And you can pause the video and check your answers. Also try placing the blocks. Well done. Now it's time for answers. This number is 146. The second number is, well done, 229. The third number is, excellent, 313. Now let's see what blocks you have kept for these numbers. So for 100, I'm keeping 100ths block, and for 46, I will keep 4/10ths block and 6/1 block. Now for 200, I will keep 200ths block, and for 29, for 20 I will keep 2/10ths block, and for 9 I will keep 9/1 block. Here you can see 2/10ths block and 9/1 block. And then for 313 I will keep for 300 300ths block. 1. I want you to count with me as I play. 2 and 3. We have 300ths block. And then for 110, I will place 1/10ths block, and for 3/1, I will place 3/1 block. That is 110 and 3/1. Now, reading and writing numbers. Here is a game link for you. You can visit this link and enjoy these games. Thanks for being with us. I hope you found this lesson very interactive and fun. You can subscribe to my channel, Friend for Learning, and you can enjoy free educational resources. Also visit our website www.friendforlearning.com. Thanks for being with us and stay safe.